In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload story on Instagram from PC. So in your PC, head over to instagram.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from your browser, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the three dot icon. Then next is hover your mouse on more tools, then click on developer tools. Now this small window will then pop up. All you have to do is look for this specific icon, which is the toggle device toolbar icon, and all you have to do is click on it. So once the layout has been changed to this, all you have to do is refresh your browser. Now you can finally see the add button beside the heart icon. All you have to do is click on this add button and click on story. Now choose the file from your computer's gallery and open it up. Before posting your story, modify and review everything. Want to post this on your story, just click on Add to your story. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!